Hi, this is Vadim from Online Training for Everyone, and in this video, I'll show you how to add leading zeros to numbers in Microsoft Excel. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. The easiest way to add leading zeros to numbers in Microsoft Excel is to convert number into text. You do this by adding apostrophe before the number and then typing the leading zeros. I did it for number 1. Now I am going to add 3 leading zeros the same way with apostrophe first to the number 12. And then I'm going to add 2 leading zeros with apostrophe to number 1, 2, 3. The second way to add leading zeros to numbers in Microsoft Excel is to use cell formatting. You select the numbers, do a right mouse click, click Format Cells, navigate to Custom, and in General field, type 5 zeros. Excel added 4 leading zeros to 1, 3 leading zeros to 12, and 2 to 123. The third way to add leading zeros to numbers is to use the text function. I have the same set of numbers, 1, 12, and 123. In the cell F3, I'm going to type equal sign and then text. Then I'm going to type E3, comma, and then 5 zeros to indicate how I'm going to format the number. Now I can select the cell and expand formatting to other cells as well. Hope one of these methods was useful for you. And if the video helped you, click like, subscribe, and for more helpful tips and tutorials, visit Online Training for Everyone. Have an amazing day.